What's up, everybody? And this is just a quick explanation of how to diagnose a misfire, or how I diagnosed my own misfire. So the car got to running rough and got to chugging as I was driving earlier today doing the stop. And I said, okay, when I get back home, I'm going to read the code. I was waiting for the engine light to come on, and sure enough, it did come on when I was driving. It was blinking. Again, 05 Tahoe, four-wheel drive, 5.3. It was flashing, so I was like, okay, I'm not gonna trip. I just want to go home and put on the code reader. So I did the code. I read the code, plugged it in, came back to a p0303. What that is a misfire on the third cylinder. For those who don't know, that would, if you're standing from the front of the vehicle, it's going to be on the right side. You got 1, 3, 5, 7. On the left side of the engine, you got 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so 1, 3, that would be the second one back. So that's this one right here. You got 4 coils, ignition coils on one side. You got 4 ignition coils on the other side. What's tricky is when they give you that code and tell you that it's a p0303. And I'm glad it was a 303, because that kind of directly tells you what cylinder is misfiring, which that means it's the third cylinder that's throwing everything off. Here's the first one. You kind of see it right here. These are the ignition coils, and ignition coils goes down to the spark plug. So you got 4. So you got 1, 3, 5, 7. We're on the odd side. So 3, what I did is I went ahead and unplugged the coil. So I unplugged the coil and I swapped it with number 5. So I swapped these two around. I took this one off and put it here, this one off and put it there. And the reason why I did that is because I wanted to make sure that the misfire stayed with cylinder 3. If it would have jumped to cylinder 5 and been a p305, then it would have been the coil that was bad. But usually when it gives a direct 305 or 301, 303, it's usually talking about the spark plug. So I swapped these two around, put everything back together, started up the car, engine light came back on, and it said p303. So it stayed with this cylinder, even though I swapped the coils, if you understand what I'm saying. If it was the coil, it would have went to number 5. I swapped the coils, it stayed at number 3. That lets me know it is the spark plug. So that's just a quick way that you can diagnose something. If I missed something here, you guys let me know, but I'm pretty sure that it's the number 3, and we're going to change it, and I'll be back with the other part of the video to show that I replaced the spark plug and we're back rolling with the cylinder running smooth and no more misfires. All right, see you in a bit. Hey, I'm back with an updated video. This is the second part. I changed the spark plug. I just want to show you the old spark plug on cylinder 3. And I'm just like, man, I thought I changed this one before. Maybe I didn't. Maybe it was a different one, but something's going on with this. But here it is. It's all gunked up. It's got all this corrosion. Look how it's burning. Like, it shouldn't be that. It shouldn't be looking like this. It shouldn't be looking like this at all. There's no way it should be looking like that. So that's the number 3 spark plug. I put the new one in, so we should be good to go. This was definitely bad. Definitely will have a misfire and have an engine light on. So let's go ahead and start this bad boy up. All right, let's start it on up. See if we can get this bad boy running smooth. This is my office, so I gotta have her running right. Of course, the engine light is still on because I didn't clear it, but it's running better. I can feel it already. I don't feel that chug. Come listen to it. She's running good. It's not shaking or nothing. Nice and sound. Sounds like it should. I'm gonna clear this code real quick. And this just for those, I don't know if you guys work on your own vehicles or know how to diagnose an issue, but you don't have to take your car to somebody or your vehicle to somebody every single time. I'm just trying to find this port. All right. So So let's read it real quick. You don't have to take your vehicle to somebody every single time something goes wrong. I will take it to somebody when I don't feel like doing something, but you best believe I know what needs to be done or how it's supposed to be done before I take it to somebody. It doesn't stink either like it did. Okay, P0303. Okay, so that's the code that was in there. So we're gonna clear it. Maybe. Okay, sure. Clear it. Oh, all right. Oh, this red button. Clear it. Absolutely. Erase. It's gone. Okay. No more engine light. That code is off of there. It's gonna reread it, and it should read back 0 codes. But yeah, I don't know if you can diagnose your own issues. It's a lot of problems you can fix yourself. You don't have to always take it in to somebody. Okay, 0, no codes. Okay, so you don't always have to take your car to somebody and have them charge you an arm and leg, you know, $89 to diagnose it. If I would have took it somewhere, it probably would have cost me over $150 just to get it fixed. Probably more than that. They probably would have lied and told me I need a coil, or, you know what I'm saying? You just can't trust mechanics these days. I mean, you can until you can't. If that makes sense. You can trust mechanics until you can't. That's why DIY. That's why this channel was called DIY. Do it yourself. We don't want to take it nowhere. Hopefully this video can help somebody out and how to diagnose and do your own diagnostics. You don't have to take it to somebody. Stop all that and save yourself some headaches, being lied to, being misled, and just, you know, because they'll just run the price up on you and tell you it's everything that it's not. So hopefully this helps somebody out. I'm on here trying to help people out with these videos. This was a quicker one. It wasn't really detailed. I was just kind of explaining how you can run your own diagnostics on a misfire on your car. Now she's back. She's purring. It's good to go. It cost me $10 to go get the spark plug. I did the testing and the diagnostics myself. So a $10 fix isn't bad. She's back on the road. I do need to get a light bulb right there. We got a headlight that's out, so I'll change that. But yeah, that's it. That's how you do it. And it's gonna help somebody out down the road. Save you some time, money, effort, headaches, all that. Cool. Until next time, we out. Back one more time before I actually go. I just want to do a test road or test drive, road test, real quick, my own road test, just to see, you know, because the proof is in the truth. You know, I want to make sure. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she's back. Hey, and I do a lot of driving in this, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know why number 3 went bad. The rest of them are good. I don't know. Not really sure. I try to stay up on the oil changes, but man, she is ready to go. So number 3 must have been down and out before it actually showed that code. It was probably already on its way out. The spark plug was probably already gunked up. But man, look how she take off. This thing got all kind of power. Listen to her. Yeah. So, you know, that's what's up. I'm happy. No more engine light. My oil pressure is where it should be. And I believe I got way more horsepower. I do got more horsepower. I'm back to the original. Back like we never left. Horsepower. So that's what's up. Once again, it's on. Back in the game, baby. Back in the game. And that'll do it.